In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Insightly CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a new contact record, fill in the right details, and save it with clean, searchable information. Start on the Insightly homepage. Once you're signed in, head to the Contacts area. This is your central hub for people-related records, and it's where you'll add new entries. Click the option to create a new contact. That opens a blank contact form with several sections. We'll move through them from top to bottom so nothing gets missed. Begin with name and occupation. Enter a prefix if you use formal salutations, add the first and last name, and link the contact to an organization if they're associated with a company already in your CRM. Add the person's title to capture their role. Consistent capitalization and spelling here make your database far easier to search and report on later. Next, fill out contact details. Add the primary email, then the phone numbers that matter for your team: work, home, mobile, other, or an assistance number. Include an assistant's name only if it's relevant for scheduling or routing calls. If you still use fax for contracts or formal documents, add it. For social profiles, paste the LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter URLs so your team can quickly reference public information. If you don't have certain details, it's better to leave them blank than guess. You can always update the record later. Scroll to address information. Enter the mailing address first: street, city, state, or region, postal code, and country, using standard postal formatting. If the contact has a second location, add it under other address. Keeping addresses complete and standardized improves mapping, routing, and campaign list quality. Under dates to remember, add the birth date if your organization tracks personal milestones. Only include this when appropriate and compliant with your policies. In description information, write a short, useful summary: how you met, key responsibilities, interests relevant to your relationship, or any context that helps the next person who opens this record. Keep it clear and professional. Add tag information to categorize the contact. Use tags that your team recognizes, such as industry, region, or lead source. Consistent tag naming keeps filters and reports tidy. In permissions, choose the appropriate visibility settings so the right people can access this record while respecting privacy and internal controls. When everything looks good, click Save. Insightly will create the contact record, and you're done. You can revisit this contact anytime to refine details as you learn more, keeping your CRM accurate, helpful, and ready for action.